Hi guys, I thought I'd just do a video on our electronic lift pumps for the 80 series Land Cruiser. The main benefit of these is when you're running bigger power output like 250 horse or whatnot, if the fuel supply is restrictive, i.e. there's vacuum back to the pump, it can sacrifice quite a lot of horsepower output. And also if the supply is poor, the case pressure is low and you can end up with quite retarded pump timing as the timing will fall off. So the main benefits of these over a lot of other ones on the market is you can change your fuel filter as it's got a nice loop of fuel line. It's not just a short straight bit, so it makes it a lot easier for your servicing. You don't have to remove everything, and also it's pre-wired with a relay and fuse, and it runs off a very low oil pressure switch, so it's not just going with your key on and engine on. So we can just supply it as a bracket only. We obviously stock just the pumps if you want them as well. However, this is good if you're not super experienced with electrical work, as it is very hard to actually get these pressure switches to trigger these and some of these components. If you've got an 80 series cruiser and you want something that's ready to go, easy to service your fuel filter, and the wiring's all there, we do them in those three different things as far as a complete kit, bracket only, bracket and pump, however you want it. So check out the link below, and if you're chasing something like this for your 80 series Land Cruiser, we've got them on the shelf ready to go.